What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you a video on this new arrival. We just got this one in, 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this one. It's got a big block Chevy. You can hear it runs great. It's a big block, so it's got a really big cam in it, and it is cold, so letting it warm up a little bit. It does run great. Just gotta help it warm up. Other than that, this car runs really good, and this car drives very, very nicely. Got good oil pressure. Like I said, the car is just really cold right now. It's got a custom auto sound radio. The heat does not work. Blower motor does not work. The radio does work. Hard to pick up a station in here though.
Interesting dynamics with the United States. But there's so much.
The odometer reads 97,000 miles. It's got a horseshoe shifter in the middle here. Horn is inoperable. Let's try out your lights and your blinkers. Just doing the usual. Oh, I'll show you the wipers too. Wipers work. Lights and blinkers work. As you can see, it's got an Edelbrock RPM air gap on it. Headers, all the goodies. Holley Carb, American racing wheels. Beautiful example of a Chevelle. The paint is a beautiful color, and the paint's in great shape. The body lines up nicely. Very, very cool car. Disc brakes in the front. Drum in the back, pretty standard. Like I said, you can see the lights are working. I'm gonna go ahead and shut them off, but first, I'm gonna show you the trunk. Extremely clean. Extremely clean. As you can see, whoever built this car, restored it, did a great job. Here's underneath. I have underneath photos on the website. It's got a 12-bolt rear end, UMI performance sway bar, everything. Let's go ahead and shut these blinkers off. As you can see, doors open and close nicely. It's got your standard cowl induction hood, white stripes, bucket seats. Your interior's in great shape, headliner and all dash pad. Let's go ahead and put your key back in the ignition. 3-spoke Chevy steering wheel. There's your trim tag. I got pictures of it on the website. Dual master cylinder, of course. And you see they got braided line for everything, braided hose. So really clean. The underneath of this car is immaculate as well. Whoever built this car, like I said, they did a great job. And it was a very, very, you could tell they didn't spare any expenses. I'm going to go ahead and close the hood. Second, there you go. I'm not going to put the hood pins on. Hard to do that with one hand. It's got a custom, I want to say a custom grill. Similar to the stock grill, but looks like it's a little custom. Looks very nice. SS badges. Kind of standard. Everybody puts those on the cars, and they look good. So, like I said, paint, really nice. And this car drives wonderful. It is a big block. You got to let it warm up a little bit. We didn't really warm it up right when I just did the video, but when this thing's warmed up, runs great. Like I said, this car presents itself very well. If you want a Chevelle you could drive, this is the one with a big block and an automatic transmission. And it is not slow, I'll tell you that much. So, just a very nice example of one of these cars. 71, personally my favorite year. Love the dual tail lights and the single headlights. I know a lot of people like the 70, but I'm a 71 guy. And this car, in my opinion, is a very, very nice example of a 71 Chevelle. If you are interested in this 1971 Chevelle, please give us a call, 847-848-1850. Visit the website, mjmclassiccars.com. This is our beautiful warehouse where this car is located. We have around 250 cars in stock, and we own them, so give us a call. Stop by. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We have special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed on the cars. So talk to your sales representative to get a service quote. Otherwise, our cars are sold as is. Hope everyone has had a great day, and I hope to see all of you coming by or calling and getting the classic car or the car of your dreams. We don't only sell classics. Looky here. So stop on by. We got them. We got something for everyone. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you've had a great day, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Mr. Jenkins out. I'll see you soon. This car sure looks good, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage.